and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween makeup look for you. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. So to start off, I'm just going to go in with a moisturiser, and this one is by Lancome and it's their Hydra Zen, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to go in with a foundation, and the one I'm taking is by Catrice and it's their HD Liquid Coverage Foundation, and it just looks like that. So next I'm just going to go in with a concealer, and this one is by Rimmel and it's the Multitasker Concealer, and it just looks like that. I'm just going to pop a little bit of translucent powder on over this just to set the foundation in place. So I'm just taking this eyeshadow palette and I'm just going to take this eyeshadow first. Next I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this. Gonna apply a little bit of this at the very top. going to take a skinny brush now and I'm just going to apply the pink along the nose. And I'm going to take a base eyeshadow just to prevent the eyes from getting stained, and it just looks like that. I'm just taking that Foolish eyeshadow, which is this peachy pink shade. Shade, which is called Chant, which is this shade here, and I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner of the eye. I'm just taking this shade here, which is called Wasted. A little bit of liqueur, which is this shade here. I'm going to just go back in with that light peachy shade again. With this shade here, it's a kind of like a white sparkly shade, and it's called Pink Me. A little bit of my pink has blended in, so I'm going to have to avoid that. So I'm just going to go in with a MAC pigment, and this one is Pink Opal, and it just looks like that. So I'm leaving the eyes for a minute, and I'm going to just do a little bit more on my forehead. So I'm going in with that purple again. Settle on my eyelashes, and I'm going to go and continue on with the rest of the face. So I'm going back in with that black liquid eyeliner again. And this one is by MAC, and it is in the shade Black Ground, and it just looks like that. So I just went back in and filled in the black around the lips, and also I just did a little bit of a clean up as well. I'm going to take a white face makeup, which is this one here. So I'm just going to add a little bit more pink and purple around the mouth. mascara now, and the one I'm taking is by L'Oreal, and it's their Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara, and it just looks like that. I think the wig really sets this makeup look off. I had a lot of fun creating this Halloween makeup tutorial for you. If you enjoyed it, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!